Hi everyone, and welcome to PELS Academy. In this video, you will learn how to write a paragraph. Well, if you know how to write a sentence, then you will definitely be able to write a paragraph, because a paragraph is a group of sentences that are related to one main idea and are connected to each other. So, are you ready? Let's get started. What is a paragraph? A paragraph should have at least 5 sentences. 1 topic sentence, 3 supporting sentences, 1 concluding sentence. Step 1. Brainstorm your ideas. In order to write a good paragraph, start by brainstorming your ideas. Write the general topic or the main idea. This is what your paragraph will be about. Examples: friends, why people lie, celebrities, playing outside. Now, use the main idea to create a topic sentence. The topic sentence identifies the main idea. It tells the reader what you will be discussing in the paragraph. Examples of topic sentences: good friends are very important in our lives. People lie for several reasons. Being a celebrity can be difficult. Playing outside has many benefits. Supporting sentences. Now write the supporting sentences. These sentences give more information about the topic sentence. Every sentence should support the topic sentence and provide further details or ideas. If any sentence is not related to the topic sentence, exclude it. Example: playing outside has many benefits. It gives you sun exposure. Active games get you moving and benefit your physical health. Playing or running around can help relieve built-up stress and frustration. Concluding sentence. A concluding sentence signals the end of a paragraph by restating the topic sentence or summarizing the main points. Important: do not add any new details in the concluding sentence. You can also end your paragraph with a personal connection, such as your opinion or feelings. Examples: playing outdoors makes you happier. Anyone can benefit from outdoor activity. Step 2. Write your first draft. Now it's time to write your first draft. Leave an indent, move the first line slightly to the right. A paragraph typically starts with a topic sentence. The rest of the paragraph provides details to support and develop it. Use transition words to link your sentences. These words form a bridge between ideas. Examples of transition words: first, second, lastly. You can also use examples or facts to support your topic sentence. Example: playing outside gives you sun exposure, which is proven to help with seasonal depression. Playing active games, such as basketball. For your concluding sentence, you can begin with finally, in conclusion, to summarize, in summary, as a result. Step 3. Edit your paragraph. Check your work carefully. Look for grammar mistakes, check spelling, make sure proper nouns are capitalized, start sentences with capital letters, end sentences with correct punctuation. Step 4. Final draft. Write your final version of the paragraph neatly and clearly. Conclusion. And guess what? We did it! Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos.